chef, appears on screen with a friendly smile. Hey there, dessert lovers. Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're making a unique and intriguing dessert that will tantalize your taste buds: green chili halwa. Get ready to experience the unexpected. Segment 1. Introduction to green chili halwa. Green chilies might seem like an unusual ingredient in desserts, but trust me, they add a fascinating flavor dimension. This traditional Indian dessert is a game changer. Segment 2. Ingredients and preparation. Here are the ingredients we'll need. 1 cup green chilies, 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/4 cup ghee or clarified butter, 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon saffron threads. Chop the green chilies finely and remove the seeds for less heat. Segment 3. Cooking the halwa. In a pan, heat the ghee over medium heat. Add the chopped green chilies and sauté until they're soft. Add the milk, sugar, cardamom powder, and saffron threads. Stir well and cook until the mixture thickens. Segment 4. Adding the finishing touches. 12 o'clock 1500. Add some chopped nuts and dried fruits to give the halwa a nice texture and flavor contrast. Segment 5. Tasting and serving. And now, the moment of truth. The green chili halwa is ready. It's creamy, it's sweet, and it's got a nice kick from the green chilies. Serve the green chili halwa warm or chilled, garnished with chopped nuts and dried fruits. A friendly smile. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today, everyone. If you're feeling adventurous, give this unique dessert a try and let me know what you think. End screen with a call to action.